it back and forth. Almost. Don't cut yourself. Yeah, there you go. You're not getting both. There you go. Work it back and forth. There you go. Here, let me help you. See? See how easy it goes when you... The key is not getting too close, but just working it back and forth. Here, try again. There you go. Pull, 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 pull. You almost got it. Pull. Work it back and forth. There you go. Good job. Now these hoses get kind of tight, so Daddy's going to pull that off. You okay? Your poor hands. You'll get tougher.
No, just this one hand.
I don't expect you to be able to get this hose off because I struggle to get them off sometimes. And then give her a good blow. All right. Now, it came off of this side because this is the side with the solenoid. So put the new one on.
What did it come off?
Huh?
Did it come off this?
Yep, because that's the side with the solenoid. This doesn't have anything going through it. Push it on there good and tight. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Yeah. Keep going, keep going. A little more. There you go. Now, slide it back up. Here, sometimes what I'll do, there you go, you got it. And what I'll do sometimes, watch, is spin this around like that. It'll make it a little bit easier. And I'll just squeeze it and pull it up at the same time. Yeah, that one's a little tight. Here, let Daddy help. And the straighter it is, the easier it'll go on. And as your hands get stronger and stronger, you will be able to do it better. And then as you can see, so it's got little notches on it right there. Mm-hmm. Those notches have to go through right there, and then you just turn it. And that's just an extra little piece that helps hold it in place. All right, go ahead and plug it in. Plug that back in right there. Good job. And I'll do this part just because I don't want you to drop a screw and we have to go behind the unit, because that would suck. Lithium-ion. Best drill I've ever owned. Where's the... All right, go ahead and throw the old valve away. All right, we got the valves replaced and everything hooked up. What's the last things we got to do? Is that it? We just leave?
To put the top back on?
Nope, we don't want to put the top back on yet. What do we want to do?
Test it.
You got it. Test it. Every repair gets tested. Because God forbid we did something wrong where this valve is defective from the factory and we just say, oh, it's fixed, and we leave. This is on the second floor. It could flood this lady's house.